So whenever we think of giving something unique to our men, we end up buying something like a short pant or a belt. But today I'm going to share some of the unique and thoughtful options which you can choose from and make him feel little more special. So let's begin with the video. Today's video is going to be about 5 senses gift idea, and in each of the category I am going to share 3 options you can choose as per your budget and keeping his preferences in mind, because whenever you gift something to someone, if that person is using that gift in their daily life, that gift becomes really special for them. May that gift be not really very expensive, but that really adds some value in their life. So with this thought, let's start with the video. So first category I'm going to talk about is touch. In this one you can go for a planter. You can go for indoor plant or an outdoor plant. I would recommend you to go for indoor plant because there are some really good plants which does not require a lot of care, and this can be a really good option for the person who does not have any plants in their room already. So second option is a beard care kit. You can make the kit on your own, or you can buy the ready-made kit. Third option is giving something skincare like face mask, face pack, face scrub, and making the entire hamper out of it. I had given this hamper to him and he really used all of those products. Just consider the preferences of his brands, like which he can actually use. So add all of those things and make entire hamper out of it. So these were the 3 options in this category touch. You can also go for a bathrobe. If he is a person like who uses such things, you can go for that. So let's move on to the second category, that is C. So in this one you can go for a good quality and good brand sunglasses. Don't want to buy some really expensive things and you want to be into the budget, you can go for a scrapbook, handmade scrapbook. Add all of your photos and write notes, like personalized things are really good. And you can also go for a good novel or some self-help book. You can give him a subscription of some audiobooks. So I had given so many options in this category. Let's move on to the third category, that is smell. So in this one you can go for scented candles. You can give him deodorants and perfumes. To make it customized, you can add his names on the bottles, and you can also go for bath bombs and bath salts, which has some essentials oil in it. Let's move on to the fourth category, that is here. So in this one what you can do is gift him a wind charm. Okay, so this is the gift which I had given him and it is right there in our room even today. I had given it to him like almost 5 years ago and he just loved it so much. As I told you, this is not a really very expensive thing, but it adds some kind of vibe into our room, and you can go for such options also. You can also go for a Bluetooth speaker, or you can go for earphones also, earpods also. So these were the options for here. Let's move on to the fifth category, that is taste. So in this one you can go for e-voucher. I had given this voucher to him. This voucher was of Domino's, so you can go for that. This is something like not so common. And if you don't want to go for such e-vouchers, you can also go for chocolate bouquet, chocolate hamper, or you can make a snacks bouquet or snacks hamper also, like add all of his favorite snacks. Today people are also making pani puri and chaat hampers, like that is something really very creative. You can do that. You can also give a box full of ready to eat things and add it into the category of taste. So these were the options in each of the category, and thank you for watching the video till the end. If you have some more options in any of the category, you can mention them below. I would love to read them. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos.